My shoulder became so painful that I had to really be careful what I did. And it didn't just bother me when I was awake. If I would lay in the wrong position at night, I'd wake up with the pain. And I knew that definitely had to get some surgery as soon as I could.
Rotator cuff problems, arthritis, and instability, that would make up about 90% of the shoulder problems we see. Our success rate overall with our patients in fixing their shoulder and getting them out of shoulder pain is 99%. And the reason for that is we're hyper-specialized in the shoulder. We've got an amazing team, and we use the latest and greatest technologies.
I did my research and found that Dr. Kruse was probably the most prominent surgeon to do the surgery. And so when I met with him, he just reinforced my decision.
My philosophy with shoulder surgery is to solve your problem as quickly as possible, to give you the best shoulder possible, and for you to enjoy the ride along the way.
I waited about 6 months to get back into the golf. I began to putt and chip and gradually moved myself into doing drives and things like that. I can say before, I had limited mobility, and now I don't have any. I can swing the golf club as hard as I want to. It's helped me improve my life by being active.
Don't let shoulder pain hold you back. Call now to book your appointment with us.